Waking up to squeaking noise made by rats would be the last thing anyone would wish for. Finding rats in your home is indeed scary. They are filthy, destructive, and make your home a complete mess. Hey guys, Nikhil here from Home Banao. In this video, I will be giving you a detailed guide of figuring out how you can get rid of your rats and be carefree in your home. This video is divided into the following sections: reasons to keep rats away from your house, what attracts rats to your home, what are early signs of rat infestation, where do rats hide in your home, how to get rid of rats, and finally different ingredients which have been proven to get rid of rats. Further, at the end, I'll also tell you how to prevent rats from entering your house in the future. Let's get started. Reasons to keep rats away from your home. Rats can spread more than 35 different diseases, including salmonella, rat bite fever, infectious jaundice, and even the plague. Their urine, fur, and dander can trigger asthma attacks and allergies. Rats also reproduce rapidly. If you do not chase them away from home, you can see their population in your home getting out of control. A female rat can conceive 7 times in a year and can deliver around 8 pups each time. Rats can cause major damage to your home by chewing through wood, drywall. Drywall is basically cement and wooden mixture, insulation, and other wires. They can even lead to fire because of how they end up chewing through wires. So these are the reasons you're supposed to keep rats away from your home. Now, what attracts rats to your home? Food. Believe it or not, rats can eat anything available to them. Milk, meat, veggies, soap, leather, fur, it's all good to them. However, their first preference will always be scavenging through trash and eating the leftovers. The next item which attracts rats, water. Apparently, rats can go days without drinking water as they gain all the water they need from foods they eat. However, dripping pipes, pet bowls of water, leaking sprinklers are easy sources for rats to get attracted to your home. Next, shelter. Since rats are warm-blooded animals, they are always looking for a shelter that can be a potential nesting site for their young. They can also make use of just about any kind of material available to build their shelter on your attic. Next, we are going to talk about what are the early signs of a rat infestation. Strange smells and sounds. Powerful ammonia smell coming out of rats cannot go unnoticed. Moreover, unlike other pests, they make a lot of squeaking, scratching, and rustling noises, just like this, hinting their presence as they move throughout your home. Droppings and smears. As rats wander around your home, they tend to leave droppings as a sign of their presence. You may notice small, dark, pellet-shaped droppings along the main rat pathways. As they travel, they leave grease smears and smudges along the walls. Footprints. Got a rat problem? To confirm about it, take a close look into seldomly used dusty corners of your home. Rats often leave foot and tail marks in places they travel. Damage. Lastly, rats can cause destruction in their path. They can chew on electrical cords, chairs, storage bins, papers, and eat food that has been left out on the counter. So where do your rats hide in your home? Following are the most common hideouts for rats statistically: air ducts, venting systems, behind cabinets and stoves, storage boxes, crawl spaces in ceilings and basement, under refrigerators, inside wood piles, in piles of clutter. So finally, coming to the main point of today's video, how to get rid of rats. First ingredient which I have for you is onion. The pungent smell of onion isn't bearable by rats at all. They'll ultimately drive them away. Place onions where rats frequent and let the strong odor do its work. However, replace the onions in a day or two as they often get rotten. Next, we have peppermint oil. Same as onions, rat detests the smell of peppermint oil, which chases them away. Dip cotton balls in peppermint oil and leave them at likely entry points or hidey hole in your home to keep the rats at bay. Bay leaves. The pleasant smell of bay leaves attract the rats and they assume it to be their meal. But here's a twist. Bay leaves are highly toxic to rats. Upon feeding rats, they will choke themselves and eventually die. Quickly Place bay leaves around the corner of your house to get rid of rats. Red chili flakes. Upon contact with red pepper flakes, rats repel. The burning sensation caused by these spicy seasonings will drive the rats away from your home. Sprinkle hot pepper along the doorways and other corners of your house to get rid of rats. Human hair. Perhaps the no-cost home remedy recommended for keeping rats away is human hair. Rats cannot stand the sight of human hair as they are afraid of humans closer to them. Place a few strands of hair along the areas where they hide or you have seen them running away from you. Steel wool. Unlike other items, rats find it difficult to chew through stainless steel wools due to the sharp fibers. If rat attempts to chew through the stainless steel sharp fibers, they will find it offensive and painful. Hit rat glue pad. Hit rat glue pad comes with a strong glue gum for maximum effectiveness. Place glue pads near the entry and exit points where rats appear. Place more traps if infestation is high and release the rat by pouring vegetable oil. So once you trap them on the glue pad, go outside, pour some vegetable oil and let them free. Mortein rat kill cake. The smell of the rat poison inside the cake sachet attracts rats, luring them to chew through it and consume all of it. However, just a single bite from this particular cake will kill the rat. Place these poisonous rat kill cakes in places where you have seen rat bites frequently. Trap cage. Place this trap cage at hidden spots of rats where cheese or any other carrot can lure the rat. The moment the rat enters the cage and tries to hold the eatery or eat it, the cage will close and releasing the door will open it, but you release the door outside your premises. Thus, your target is cleared. Ultrasonic pest repellers. Ultrasonic pest repeller will not just keep your house rat free but also insect free. Just plug in the pest rejector and let it at its highest frequency successfully scare away your insects and rats. I should warn you though, you should be aware that this is not as effective as some of the other mediums. It is still being tested whether it works or not, so this is a disclaimer. Next, how do you prevent from rats from entering your house in the future? Block all entry points. This is one of the best ways to do it. I have successfully done this in my home where we've blocked all entry points and make sure that there's no place where a rat can enter. So fill holes with cement, white cement, cracks, gaps. Even a small sliver can be welcoming for a rat. Keep clutter to a minimum and move objects away from the wall to make sure that you ensure you end up checking them and check behind them. Less clutter means fewer places for the rat to hide, and typically when you have a clean line of sight, well, you can spot rats and try to get rid of them. Next, immediately clean the food spills. Throw away trash regularly and keep your trash bin covered. Feed your pet inside your home and keep their water bowls indoor. You should also keep litter boxes clean and pick up any pet feces from your yard or your garden. Clean your home regularly. Pay special attention to the kitchen. Store dry goods and pet food in airtight containers. Keep basements and crawl spaces very well ventilated and dry, and eliminate any standing water pots or old pots filled with water. So there you have it, guys. This was an ultimate guide to figure out how to rid your home of rats and prevent them from coming in the future. If you have any other suggestions, please leave them in the comment section below. These are the ones which I have found useful for my own home and based on my research, and I'm sharing it with you. And regarding closing of entry points, I cannot stress that enough. We actually ended up getting entire grill meshes done around our balcony to make sure that there's no entry point for rats left. And it has been proven effective in getting rid of rats. Pest control and these other measures will get rid of the infestation temporarily, but for a permanent fix, once you clear your home of rats, prevent any entry point, and that's the best fix in my opinion. Thanks a lot for watching. Do stay tuned for more videos on Home Banao, and see you in our next video.